Let's do an English lesson. Let's start the lesson. Do it. We'll do it. We'll have some fun over here.
Do you get enough sleep?
Do you get enough sleep? Okay. Yes, I often look things up when I'm bored. Up.
Yeah, poor guy. So unlucky.
Yeah, poor guy. So unlucky. I forgot to plug it in earlier. Okay. Up here.
Up here.
Come out.
Pill.
Among.
Yay. I set it up last night.
Disagree. Disagree. Disagree.
Unlucky.
Silently.
Unlucky.
Silently.
Unlucky.
Yay.
Alex loves his smartphone, but it's very old. He needs to plug it in 3 times a day. He would like to buy a new one as soon as possible.
Yeah, there's a problem with the battery.
I'd like to transfer some money abroad, please.
Where
Would
would you,
You
like to send it?
it.
Yay.
Hey, Max, I think the fridge is broken. I don't think we can fix it. We need a new one. Do you know what the balance is in our bank account?
Okay. Can they buy a new fridge? Fast food. Balance.
How did you get the flu, Mike?
I think I caught it from my cousin Mia. Can you look up?
Look it up.
Oops, broke it.
Michael improved his abilities as a basketball player by practicing.
Michael improved his abilities as a basketball player by practicing. Okay.
Look it up.
Look
Look
it up.
up.
Yay. Speaking star. Okay. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell when subscribing. Also, okay. So, bye everyone.